Welcome back on Dynamod. Today I want to propose you a video about
the unboxing review about the Warhammer Underworld, the Chasm Crimson Court. This is quite an amazing one. It has only 4 miniatures inside instead of a lot of them like in the Sepulchral Guard or other ones. Eventually in the description you can find my playlist about the Underworld miniatures that I unboxed. And here we can find, so there are 4 miniatures. So the Winged one that it's recalling a old vampire eventually, that can be quite interesting. This that it's a female one that it can be associated to a Lamia. This one that it's a sort of Manfred, because it's really quite similar as concept to a Manfred one. And this that it can be associated eventually to a sort of Vlad, so a classic Volcasten vampire. So it's really quite interesting in that way. And we can find that it's an easy to build one with also the deck inside. And the box itself, it's big but quite nice to see, so it's really quite amazing. So now we can go to open it and see the contents inside. And so we can see here the miniatures. So we have here these ones. So we have the female one and the Manfred type. Okay. Here we have this one that it's the other set, and it's the winged one here. So they are really quite nice. I really like these details, are really quite awesome, really quite amazing ones. There are a lot of details if you go to see, quite awesome. And here there are the cards that are inside. Okay, so we have also here the instruction how to build this easy to build ones, and the cards that are inside that I'll open to see what these are, because I think that at least for the designs they are really quite amazing one. So now we can see something a bit better about this. About the paper one, we can find this, that it's a rigid paper card, that it was useful to bring everything together without that it flexed, so not bad. It can be reused eventually if you don't use to keep them in position or so on. This you can reuse for a feature, Shining Future or something else, so eventually keep and reuse. This it's about the instruction how to build these models, and they can be really quite amazing ones, so not bad at all, really quite interesting to use. So okay, and here we have the cards that are inside, and we'll go to open this and see the contents inside these ones. The cards can be quite interesting. I really like the details that they have. They are the design that are really quite awesome. For example, this Seraphon, this one, they are really quite amazing. I really like them. Eventually you can use them to use as a sort of reference if you want, for example, to create some diorama or something. They can be really quite amazing ones to use. Here we can find that there are 2 different covers, because are 2 different rows for the cards, but I don't play the game, so I'll not embarrass myself explaining how they're used, because I'm not interested about. So this is the first of these ones, and now we'll go to see also this one that can be quite awesome. So we can put this aside and see the other one. So we can see here this one. I really like this one, it's amazing. Okay, it's a description how it works, and the nice image that it's the image of the set box. And here we can find the cards. They are really quite awesome as images, quite nice really. They are all related about the vampires and so on, but I like because they can be used, for example, to create some maybe repositioning of the models and so on, but they are really quite awesome. They are so related, all these about the models that are inside here, so quite good. And here also the ones related about the characters that are inside here, so quite nice. Here also the other part of the profile, so it's a double one, and I really like a lot these ones. So we can see that these one are the character, and here we can find the different parts of the back of the cards as we have seen before, so that we can see, for example, those ones. I really like. So we had the general one before, and here are the specific ones. It's something that I like as designs, because they can be really used to make some, I can say, change, or at least having an inspiration about. So not bad at all. I really like them. So we can put this aside and make some comments about the miniatures themselves. So we can talk a bit about the lady itself. This lady has miniature and so on. I think that can be associated to a mix of the Lamia, the classical one that you can find here. It's a modifying that I done in a lot of time ago, but really this can be used again, and I'll bring you a renewed version about this because I love. So this Lamia with something related about, I can say, the Dark Eldar, the combat one. So for example, here we have Lilith Aspirats, and it's recalling quite a lot this one. I modified this to create my personal, I can say, Lamia, because I wanted that I can say, converting a female vampire that it was a warrior one, and this was the perfect model about this, and so I created a little change, and I'll bring you also in the future some of my conversion about this, because I really like these ones. So simply this is something that comes from the set of the old zombies. Here a shield coming from the ones of the skeletons, and the miniature, it's amazing. So I always love this, and it's perfect to be related about a normal Lamia, so quite amazing. So this is quite similar as option, as you can see. So it's a sort of mix of a combatant one, so quite a beautiful character, really quite a really nice one. And then we have this card that it's quite a lot related about this miniature, that it's Manfred, the mounted one on the Abyss, the Abyss and so on, that it's really quite amazing, and it's quite similar. So I think that the origin about such card, it's such one that it's always amazing one, but at the same time a bit classic. So it's really a good card. Eventually I'm not quite interested about this, because it's not the best, but not bad. And then we have the Winged Vampire, that it's a bit like Manfred if you want, but it recalls quite a lot the vampire, the winged one. So it's really quite interesting about this. I also realized a video about this one, because I converted this one in this. So we can see that it's really quite similar. It has also a bit of similarity with the Von Casten one, but still about the armor and this about the position of the leg. But I think that it's really quite interesting, so not bad at all. And then we have this, that it's technical Vlad, because if we take the miniature of Vlad von Casten, it's really quite similar one. So okay, it's only the position of the legs that it's a bit different, and it's more similar to the one about the winged arm, but their armor and so on, they are really quite similar. So I think that the concept, it's mainly related about such model that it's amazing. It's still quite amazing, really awesome one, so quite wonderful. So as you understood, I really liked such box. I think that the miniatures inside are really quite amazing, and you can convert it, use as they are, personalize, put everything in every way you want. But they are really awesome vampire models. So I really wanted to find them, and I'm really glad to have found them and brought to you, because I suggest you to buy these ones. Okay, if you go to play about Underworld, maybe because you're interested about the cards and so on, that it's up to you. But about the miniatures themselves, The quality, it's not bad at all. I like a lot this quality of the miniature. It's quite good. The details are really awesome and so on. So I think that they are really worth. And if you take note that normally for a charity you spend about 25 euros, here you have for a bit more or a bit less, so equal if you take some discount and so on, okay, but you have 4 of them, and they are charities, so I really like such one. Eventually you can also build, I don't know if in a future book there will be an elite I can say infantry or so on of vampires. You can have maybe some champions of that elite if they are on foot, so can be also quite interesting that way. Anyway, from Dino Mode it's everything. I invite you to put a like on this video, to subscribe to the channel, to ring the bell, and to comment this video if you are interested in something about this video or you want to suggest me some arguments for other videos. I hope to see you again. To the next time.